Niacinamide Pure Serum, 2-in-1 for the face and body, and for all skin types pa. 520 ml lang, and napaka-affordable. Ang tanong, effective ba? Hey guys, beautiful day. It has been 1 month of using this Ashley Shine Niacinamide Pure Serum. This is for the face and body, pero tinest out ko lang siya sa body ko. So, it says here, 21 days, makikita mo na yung effect niya, yung brightening effect niya on the skin. But, hindi ko na malayan, sobra 1 month na actually, today, ang paggamit ko. And ito yung na-consume kong product. Ayan. So, medyo marami pa kasi this is 520 ml and super affordable for 520 ml. Ang tagal maubos. So, ito yung skin ko prior to using this product. For the texture, it is lightweight, translucent, fast absorbing, easily spread on the skin. Running yung consistency niya, hindi siya malagkit on top of the skin at may glowy finish siya when applied on the skin. April 12 was the first time that I used the Ashley Shine Niacinamide Face and Body Serum. Today, it's April 26. That's 2 weeks after. Okay, so here's my skin. Here's my arm. As you can see, nag-brighten up na dito na part. And this one, pero meron pa ring linya. Kasi, lumabalabas pa rin ako araw-araw para marawan to do some errands or get my kids, hatid my kids in school. So, naaarawan pa rin ako. But, it is really brightening my skin. Okay? Then, napansin ko guys, yung dito na part, mas rough kasi yung dito ko na part. Tapos, parang may melasma ako dito na itim-itim. Medyo nawawala siya, in fairness. Ito, nandyan pa rin. Yung parang dark spot ko dito. So, 2 weeks, it's 14 days. Extend pa natin, gamitin pa natin siya hanggang 21 days. Kasi sabi doon, 21 days, diba? So, gamitin natin siya. Pagbigyan natin siya. Obviously, may linya talaga siya because of wearing shirts every day. So, yung dito na part is maputi, dito medyo darker. Siguro mga 2 weeks, nag-check ako sa skin ko. Oh, there is a difference talaga. Tapos, medyo umitim ako konti kasi naligo sa dagat, medyo naggala, tapos medyo naititan. So, merong linya ulit. But, napansin ko, while using this one, mabilis makarecover yung skin ko, mabilis siyang mag-brighten up right away or mag-even out sa part na mas maputi at sa part na dark. So, mas mabilis siyang mag-even out. And now, as you can see, hindi ganun kalayo ang difference ng aking skin dito sa natatabunan ng shirt at sa exposed na part. And also, sa part na to, eto talaga yung problema ko. Dito wala, diba? Nag-lighten up siya, guys, in fairness, at medyo kumikinis na siya. Now, it says, whitens and lightens your skin for 21 days. This niacinamide pure serum has double enrichment effect with sodium hyaluronate and niacinamide that can powerfully soothe and moisturize skin and quickly moisturizes and whitens your face and body due to its intense hydration and nourishing effect. It also helps recovers dry skin to elastic, tight, and soft state. It helps restore the protective skin barrier and fade out wrinkles of the face and body. So if this is not the first time you're watching a review of Ashley Shine Niacinamide Pure Serum, totoo, effective talaga. So yung nakikita nyo from other content creators or TikTok affiliate na effective to, yes, it is effective. And guys, siguro kadalasan kasi pag masyadong mura yung product tapos masyadong marami yung content, automatically skeptical tayo kung effective ba talaga kasi sobrang mura, 'di ba? But with this one, in fairness, okay talaga siya. I'm planning to try this on my face. Update ko kayo kung okay ba siya sa face, but I assume okay din to. Kasi wala naman akong na-experience na peeling effect or nangati ako or whatsoever. Okay naman siya. But always talaga use your sunscreen sa umaga kasi baliwala yung paggagamit mo dito guys kung hindi mo rin i-protect yung skin mo from UV rays. By the way, ginagamit ko pala siya sa gabi, more of sa gabi than sa umaga. Parang ginawa ko siyang replacement sa soothing gel kasi ang moisturizer ko sa body ko at night usually is soothing gel talaga. But when I got this, eto na yung ginagawa kong moisturizer at night. And yes, ganda siya. Screenshot for the full ingredients list. By the way guys, this is not fragrance free. So if you're allergic to fragrance, be cautious when using this product. Tapos yung Fresh Skin Lab Retinol Advanced Wrinkle lang siya. Soothing gel lotion is ginagamit ko lang siya sa tummy area ko. This one sa legs, sa arms, sa buttocks area, sa likod. Yeah. If you're looking for something that can whiten or brighten or even out your skin tone for the body and also for the face as well, this one is a must try. Sulit na sulit. Alam mo yung feeling na nakahanap ka ng mga skincare products na mura, tapos multi-purpose, multi-use. Parang ang saya kasi hindi ka nagagastos ng sobra-sobra, diba? Kami lang naman tong mga content creators, mga beauty enthusiasts, ang gumagastos at nag-try ng iba-ibang skincare for us to share new products to you guys. But again, if meron ka ng effective na sa'yo, stick to it na. Huwag ka nang pa-change. Kasi nakakasira rin ng balat pag nag-change ka ng skincare. The time, if you feel na parang nag-change siya, that's the time na mag-change ka rin ng skincare. But if you feel na okay na sa talaga yung existing skincare mo, huwag ka nang mag-change. So, huwag kang bilhin mo na agad kasi okay sa akin. Because some products may work on me, may not work on you. Bago ko makalimutan, meron palang hyaluronic acid pure serum face and body ang Ashley siya. If you want to know more about this product, link in the yellow basket or in the description box kung pinapanood mo ito sa YT. Bye!